going on, everybody? One thing that is very on every angler's mind right now is marine electronics. I can't get enough of them. I'm running 4 Lowrance units, soon to be 5. You know, I love it. It's important. New technology coming out every day. But aside from just the graphs, we got GoPros, the Ghost trolling motor up there, a Hydra wave, even back to the engine, the power poles, and the jack plate, and hopefully, most importantly, the livewell pumps running. We need a lot of power. And as much consideration as we're putting into our electronics today, we need to put into our power source. With all the effort I've been putting into which electronics I needed to have on my boat, this year in particular, I took a hard look at my boat batteries. I needed both power to run everything that I mentioned before, but also I'm on the road a lot. Living out of Minnesota, we're in this Lance camper down here in the rest of the United States for months at a time. So convenience of being able to get to a place if I did have an issue is a big deal for me. It's something you can't get with every other battery type or battery company out there. All signs for me, after doing a lot of research, pointed to X2 Power. So that's exactly what I went with. I got 4 X2 Power 31 AGM dual purpose deep cycle batteries. I run 4 batteries all the same. My very first one here is going to be my cranking battery, and that's going to run my Mercury and all my accessories off of here. And the other 3 are strictly for the Ghost. You know, we put in way more man hours out there on our trolling motor than we do anything else. One thing that I did is I also added the power pole charge. That's a big deal for me because now that keeps all my batteries charging on the fly as I'm going. I can maintain it off an app. And the one thing that I'm seeing after putting these X2s in my boat is that I always have power behind me. They charge quick, and again, I just have plenty of power. For instance, I just came off a 3rd place finish at Douglas Lake for the Bassmaster Open, where I literally stayed on one spot for 9 hours a day, never firing my big engine, had my pumps running, my GoPros running, my graphs on, everything going, and when it was time to go back to weigh in with a nice live well full of bass, turn that key and my engine fired immediately. Definitely check out X2 batteries. One of the things I like about the AGM Power too is that these are available through Batteries Plus, and there's always a Batteries Plus close by. If I do have any kind of problem and I need to get a battery check, anything like that, I always have an X2 Power outlet with Batteries Plus available. If you're on the road anywhere and you're looking for new batteries, definitely get over to Batteries Plus and check out X2 Power.